Today I'm going to show you how to make a Southern Blackeyed Pea Salad, affectionately known as hillbilly caviar or redneck caviar. Mine is fresh and seductively smoky. To start making this black-eyed pea salad, you will begin with 3 cups of black-eyed peas. You'll want to be cooked and drained, or you can use 2 cans and drain them. You will also want a can of corn, or the recipe's going to call for 1 cup of corn, and I like corn, so I'm going a little bit over a cup. We have an array of fresh vegetables here. We're going to start by adding a half of a red pepper, and you want this chopped. Add it to your bowl. Then you will need 1/2 of a green pepper. You're going to do the same. Chop it up. Add the green pepper to your bowl. Then you will need a half of a red onion. They call it red, but it's really purple, huh? Chop it up. You will add your onion in with your peas and your corn and your other veggies. Then you will need 1 cucumber. I'm using an English cucumber, so the seeds aren't very big. If you're using a regular garden cucumber, you'll want to take those seeds out. You'll chop this as well. You'll add your cucumbers. Last but not least, we're going to add 3 green onions, the tops and the bottoms. You will add your green onion. And I said that this was last but not least, but you know, guys, I forgot about my cilantro. So we need that as well. You will use about 1/3 of a bunch of the cilantro, and you're going to cut this up real small as well and add it to the mix. Now we're ready for our dressing. So in our dressing, we have the spices of cumin, smoked paprika, garlic powder, coriander, black pepper, and it just wouldn't be right without some sugar. So we have 2 teaspoons of sugar there. We will also add the juice of a half a lime and a 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, and we're going to add a little bit of olive oil, probably about 2 teaspoons. You will just mix this around. Oh, wow, folks, this smells so good. This is going to be so great on these veggies. And the textures and the flavors in this salad is just delightful. Here comes that juice of that half a lime. This is so refreshing on these dog days of summer. Give that a little stir, and let's get some olive oil in there. Again, you don't need much olive oil. We're going to make this a light recipe. I'll probably be eating this for lunch just about every day this week, as well as serving it with our chicken we're going to cook on the grill. You will want to toss all your vegetables before you put your dressing on. Make sure those onions get broke up good. I want them to stay together. They're friends. Look at how beautiful those colors are. What a perfect summer salad. And then the dressing. This smells so good. Okay, you will want to put this in the fridge for about 1 hour so that it can marry and get happy with each other. And then you can serve it. This was extremely easy. It will be perfect for your cookouts, your barbecues, or to take to work with you for lunch, which is what I'll be doing this week. And the best part of all is coming up, the taste test. So you know you always have to taste your food before you feed it to anyone in your household. Mmm. That is so good. That is so refreshing. I hope you've enjoyed this recipe. If you did, give us a thumbs up. Hit subscribe and hit notifications so that you get all of our recipes as they post. And until next time, stir the pot.